Hello students, how are you all? Hope you all are doing good. Today I am going to talk about emperor penguin. They are truly beautiful birds. Adults have white stomach, black head, back, tail and wings. They also have yellowy gold markings on the side of their head and neck. They are the largest of all the different kinds of penguins. 4-layer scale-like feathers protect them from icy winds of Antarctica and provide a waterproof coat. They live in a huge group called a colony, and colonies can contain several thousand individuals. They can dive deeper in the water than any other birds, including other penguins. A group of penguins in the water is called a raft, but on land they are called a wattle. Emperor penguins do not build nests. They are carnivores, which means they eat fish, squid, krill, crustaceans and cephalopods. Female lay one single egg each breeding season, and the male will balance the egg on his feet and cover it with a warm layer of feathered skin called a brood pouch. This large penguin have an average lifespan of 20 years in the wild and 50 years in captivity. Now let's begin today's rhyme. So let's get started. I'm a little penguin that and white, short and wobbly and adorable sight. I can't fly at all, but I love to swim, so I waddle to the water and dive right in. I'm a little penguin that and white, short and wobbly and adorable sight. I can't fly at all, but I love to swim, so I waddle to the water and dive right in. Let's sing it again. I'm a little penguin that and white, short and wobbly and adorable sight. I can't fly at all, but I love to swim, so I waddle to the water and dive right in. I'm a little penguin that and white, short and wobbly and adorable sight. I can't fly at all, but I love to swim, so I waddle to the water and dive right in. If you like my today's rhyme, then hit like button, share it with your friends and family. And if you are watching my channel for the first time, don't forget to hit subscribe button too. Okay, bye.